Okay guys, so today we're gonna do the first mod to my Supra. It's a very simple thing. We're gonna do the amber delete for the lights, okay? On the bumpers. Let's do that next.
I hear him chat with the boys, man so tough but mans keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls let it tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pan, if you wanna touch man please use caution. Cold like 0 degrees, I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets.
Alright guys, new day, new mod, new video. It's amazing. So this is the amber. So I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna put dark black tint, and they will still work. They will still reflect the light because it's only a tint. But I'm gonna put dark black tint on this one, dark black tint for this one, and dark black tint for this one over here too. So all of this I'm gonna delete it. This one I'm not gonna put tint because I love the way they look. I might do it in the future, but for now I'm gonna keep it like that. But in the future I'm gonna do the tint for this one. If I do this one, I'm gonna do it in 2 pieces. One for here and one for the top. But for now it's only the amber delete. Yes, so let me cut that and do the installation. This tint is gonna be available on my website. The link is gonna be down below. Okay guys, I got the pre-cut tint. So this is the kit that you will receive on the mail if you order from my website. So the first 2 are for the front bumper. They are shorter than the other ones. Then the next 2 are for the rear bumper. Front bumper, rear bumper, and the last one is for the rear diffuser, the bumper, rear bumper diffuser. Okay, so let's install this. These are very easy to install, so let's do that right now. Okay guys, one side is done. So here you can see how it looks. You can still see a little bit of yellow, but it's alright, looks good. If you have a heat gun, use a heat gun to stick the edges of the tint. Okay, so in here it's the same thing. You can still see a little bit of red there, but it looks better. From here you cannot see it. Looks beautiful. So this is with the tint. Look at the rear. Wow, it's amazing. Yes, so this is without the tint. You can see it, and this is with the tint. You can see it. Amazing, love it. It sounds nice, but I think it still needs an exhaust system. Okay, because it's not that loud, but it's still cool, the sound. Okay guys, that's the Amber Delete. It's on my website, you can get it there. But on the next video, we're gonna do the 0 to 60. Okay, so subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay, you wanna see that video. 0 to 60, let's see how many seconds this one does for the 0 to 60. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments modifications that you want for the Supra. Put in the comments too. Okay, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you in the next video.